promise, this is going to be the last one I show before I start going over the exam paper. I completely forgot about this. So if you go back to STEM Learning on the website runstechhub.com, go to STEM Learning, go to where it says BTEC National IT AAQ. Under here, you're going to see these two black buttons on the left hand side. On your mobile phone, it should be underneath the video or above the video. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't tested it properly yet. Now, what you're going to do, if you click on this is actually going to be an AI I created that's completely free again. You can go there and this is the question helper. So what this is, you simply put in your exam question and it will try to generate an answer for you so you can see how you could answer potential questions. And the other one, which is Unit 1 Question Generator, if you click on that, this is going to generate exam questions for you. And what you can do from here is simply type your answer in here. You can be as detailed as possible or as simple as possible. What this is going to do is going to analyze your answer and try to tell you if it's 2 marks, 3, for example, this is a 5-marker one here. It's going to tell you if you've gotten 2, 3, 4, or 5 marks out of the 5. It's going to break down what you can do to improve your mark. And if you get the full marks, I don't know what it's going to do actually. I don't think I programmed that in. But in any case, go there, use it, test it, review it, let me know, put some comments on the video and tell me what else you think it needs to have. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, share, and go use the free resources to help you.